Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll walk you straight through how to change your earbud tips the right and easy way. So let's get started. First step, make sure you've got your new ear tips ready. When you bought a pair of earbuds, the product most probably included with 3 size ear tips for replacement purpose. Next, remove ear tips out of the earbuds. Well, to be honest, I really don't know. This task feels like hassle, especially during the time when people are busy. Perhaps those ear tips are quite small in size and it might feel a little frustrated to deal with fragile things. But here's what to do. Use 2 fingers and squeeze on the ear tip until there is a gap hole. From there, use the thumb finger and nail the ear tip out easily. Now, the important part, replace or change another ear tips. Normally, people would like to stick the ear tips in directly, but the problem I think it's sometimes not working well because it's hard to see the root of the tips and therefore sometimes we just plug it in the halfway. And here's what to do. You need to turn over the ear tip from the edge of the tips. Flip it, then make it inside out. This will help you to see the ear tips roots clearly. Next step is to plug the root part into the earbud. Once the root sticks on, just turn over the other side of the tips. And voila, that's how it works. Repeat this step for both earbuds ear tips. Most earbuds ear tips are designed this way. Let me just demo it one more time on another earbud here. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.